Hi, in the last video we saw an example of dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. In this video, let us see one more example to understand this concept better, right? In this video, we will see this example where 18c multiplied by 4a minus 16 in a bracket multiplied by 3b minus 15 in a bracket is called as numerator, and after division symbol 6 multiplied by in a bracket a minus 4 multiplied by in a bracket b minus 5 is called as denominator, right? Okay, let us see how we solve it. For this division we will follow the same process. We cannot simply divide because the expression are not yet in fully factorized form, right? So to perform the division we need to factorize the numerator and check if we can find common factors with the denominator. So these common factors will cancel out and help us simplify the expression. Okay, let us solve this example. So our first step will be to factorize the numerator. Let us look at only numerator, that is 18c multiplied by 4a minus 16 in a bracket, then multiply by 3b minus 15, right? Let us factorize each part. So let us factorize 18c first. 18c is equal to 18 will be written as 6 multiplied by 3, and then we have multiplied by c, right? Then let us factorize 4a minus 16. This is equal to 4a will be 4 multiplied by a, then minus 16 is 4 multiplied by 4, right? Here we see that 4 is common in both the terms, right? So 4 is a common factor. Taking out 4 we get this is equal to, I am taking out 4, then in a bracket we have a minus 4, right? This a and this 4 is there in the bracket. Okay, now let us factorize 3b minus 15. 3b is written as 3 multiplied by b, and 15 is written as 3 multiplied by 5, right? In this case, we see that 3 is common in both the terms. So I will take 3 out. I am taking 3 out, and in the bracket we have b from the first term minus 5 from the second term, right? Now let us combine all the factors like factors of 18c, factors of 4a minus 16, and factors of 3b minus 15. Let us combine all of them. So for the numerator, that is, this is equal to, for 18c I will write this 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by c, right? For second term, that is 4a minus 16, we have seen we have 4, then multiply by 4, and in a bracket there is a minus 4, then multiply by, for 3b minus 15 we have seen that it is 3, it is a common factor, then b minus 5 in a bracket, right? So now for the next step we need to look at the denominator. This is our denominator. So this denominator is already in factor form, so we do not need to factorize it further. Now we compare numerator and denominator and cancel common factors, right? So for that I have to write this division in numerator and denominator form. Let us see it on the next slide. So we have to write this in numerator and denominator form. This is equal to, first I will write numerator, then we have a line to represent division, then at the denominator's place we have 6 in a bracket a minus 4, in second bracket b minus 5, right? And in the earlier slide we saw that numerator is written as 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by c, that is 18c, then multiply by, we had taken 4 out because 4 was common, then in the bracket we had a minus 4, then another multiplication, and from the second term we had 3 common, and then in the bracket we had b minus 5, right? Then we have a horizontal line to show division. At the bottom we have 6, then a minus 4, then b minus 5, right? Now compare numerator and denominator and identify common factors. So here 6 is present in both numerator and denominator, right? Similarly, a minus 4 and b minus 5 also present in numerator and denominator, right? So these will cancel each other. That means 6 at the numerator and 6 at the denominator will cancel each other. A minus 4 at the numerator and a minus 4 at the denominator will cancel out, and b minus 5 and b minus 5 at numerator and denominator will cancel each other, right? And we are left with 3 c 4 and this 3, right? Let me write it down. This is equal to, we are left with 3 multiplied by c multiplied by 4 then multiplied by 3, right? This is equal to, all numbers will be multiplied together, that is 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. And for the, I will write alphabet as it is, that is 36c. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope you understood this concept. Let us see what we have seen in this video. In this video, we solved a division problem involving polynomials with multiple factors. We first factorized each part of the numerator and then compared it with the denominator. After identifying the common factors, we cancelled them to simplify the expression and obtain the final answer. Hope you liked this video. In my next video, I will bring more examples. Thanks for watching.